Okay, so a friend of mine has given me these two amazing oak burrs. They measure, well, that one is 2 foot across, that's 600 mil, and about the same the other way. The thickness of it is about a foot or 300 mil. The other one slightly smaller, that way it's 2 foot, that way it's probably about 20 inches, and it's a little thinner, it's probably about 10 inches deep, but well, you can see the shape of it, and my my lathe will only take 400, only make a 400 mil bowl, which is about 16 inches. So basically I'm not sure what to do with them. I can't turn one huge bowl out of it because it's too big, and I mean, how do you cut something up like that and still maintain some of the character from it? So that's what I need a little bit of help with. So yes, I'm open to suggestions. Okay, so I've turned the two pieces over just so that you can see the other side of it. You can see some of the there's certainly plenty going on character wise in there. It should look amazing, and that's the other side of that. You can see it's like a mountain. I mean, do I cut it off there and try and do something with the top half and then make several bowls out of the bottom half, or slice it up that way? I really don't know. So yeah, if anybody's got previous experience and can give me some insight, that'd be great.
So if you could please leave a comment with any ideas that you might have as how to split it up into and get the most out of it. Also in the description below is my email address if you'd like to send a drawing or again any ideas as to how to split it up into sort of manageable pieces, and that would be great help. Thank you. See you on the next one.